Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollar. So before we start the video, if you are new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you'll find some links. The first link says swing trading on automation. So click on that link, come to this page and watch this video. This is for people who want to automate swing trading. I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading. Nobody else has done it, okay? So if you want to do swing trading on automation, I'm not talking about this bullshit about 5 minutes scalping or 15 minutes scalping or 1 hour. All lower time frames will not make you money in the long run, okay? So if you want to just set and forget and you want to trade on higher quality setups using higher time frame, then click the first link below and check out this video, and then you will know what I'm saying. Okay, so after that there will be a link of Telegram. You can join Telegram if you want, subscribe, like, blah blah blah. Coming back to the chart, starting the top down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly we are in the uptrend, everybody knows it. Okay, so rejection, so we have been very zigzag, so we have been consolidating, but I think finally we have broken the previous highs. So you can see all these highs were broken by this candle and we are going up. Okay, so we can, I don't know when, but I think we are gonna reach 1800 easily. So we will reach up to 1820. Right now the price is 1741. Euro will go up to 1820, that is written, but when that will happen I got no idea. Right now we don't have any momentum. Okay, so look for longs in this Euro USD. In 4 hour we got, in 4 hour I think we are in the uptrend. Okay, so this was your pullback, this is your entry, that's it. Okay, so if you put your long position right here, this is it. Go for 1-2 and exit, right? So I as I have said that we are going until 1820. So if you are into long or even maybe enter long here, okay, it's only about that how long will it take, because the momentum is not there right now. Okay, and it's Monday morning only. So yeah, if the momentum will be there, you will see the profits within a couple of days. But look for longs and exit at 1820 in Euro USD. That's free trade. What I'm doing for you is worth thousands of dollars. Nobody else is doing this for free. Okay, not many people have this knowledge, and those who have, they charge you thousands of dollars to do this. Nobody's doing this for free. Okay, so if you like what you see, subscribe, like, blah blah blah, and if check out the swing trading and automation. This is a real deal for actual traders. Okay, so go and check out the link, come to this page, watch the video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.